Happy New Week, you guys. I wanted to share this with you. I've been thinking about something over the last couple of weeks. I have been going through a lot of things behind the scenes physically. And for some reason, the last day and a half or so, started to deal with something new. And I pray by the end of today, I no longer have to deal with it. It has to do with my stomach. And unfortunately, it's persisting at the moment. And I lost about a third of my morning. So, nonetheless, God is still great. But I started to think about something. Not because all is quiet means that God's not moving. He's not doing things behind the scenes. And business is business, right? You guys know I'm a marketer. I teach marketers. I teach people how to promote anything online. I'm a content creator. I'm a father, right? I'm a husband, right? I love Jesus. All those things you guys know, right? And I create content, videos like this every day. I do at least 2 a day, 3 a day usually, but videos like this. And I haven't been able to create content like I really want to over the last few weeks because of what's been going on with me not being able to walk well, even worse than usual. But I've been feeling some type of way because I love what I do, and every minute I'm not doing it, I feel off, right? I'm just being vulnerable here with you guys. And because you guys are the ones that actually watch my content on a regular basis, people watching the stories, and I wanted to share this with you guys. Stay the course. And the best thing that you have for you, going for you, is that it's not over. Every morning that God wakes you up, every morning that God gives you breath in your lungs is another day to, 1, give Him praise, but 2, to keep moving the mission forward. Because it doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter how you make money for a living, as long as it's legal and ethical, you are impacting someone's life. And I'm stealing a few moments away to come hang out with you guys in this video to remind you that God has a plan for you. He does. If He didn't, you wouldn't be here, right? Whether you believe what I believe or you don't, God has a plan for you. And He wants you to keep moving forward. He wants you to continue trusting Him and knowing that He who has begun a good work in you is faithful to finish it. Keep trusting, keep working, right? I'm so grateful to God that despite of the way that I've been feeling, I have an automated business, that it runs for me 24/7, and it's making income for me regardless. So why should you care about that? Because of the fact that people can find videos like this on social media, get a message like the one you just got, talking about something that I am benefiting from, and because they had the same need that I do, and I did, they can get that value and get the solution to the problem I had because they now have the same problem. Get how that works? They get the video, they get the message, and they get how to get their problem solved. And they get provided that solution right as they need it, whenever that is, right? And people actually pay for that, right? That's the beauty of this business. That's the beauty of what I do. And that's how I can still make an income even though I'm stuck in the facilities. So, I know that may be a little too much, but this is reality. This is the ability that I have. And yeah, people talk about the money and the trips and the cars and the clothes and being able to do all these different things. the lavish lifestyle? No. A simple benefit is when you're stuck in the facilities, you can still make money to keep the lights on. So if you want to be a part of that, go to my last video and type The Hunted. And I'll be glad to show you how I got me an automated system to break free of the W-2 cycle and to become the hunted in online business. Take care.